How to turn off autopay in Google Pay. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can permanently stop your auto payment of subscriptions in Google Pay. So let's just get right into it. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up Google Pay and make sure you're logged into your Google account. You can then go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the top right corner or the bottom right corner, depending on your choice, because on the home screen you cannot find your auto pay option, so you have to find your profile first. And once you are on your profile icon, all you have to do is just scroll down a bit, and then from here you just have to find the option for auto pay. Tap on it. Then you can find three options here. The first one is live auto pay. That means that these are your active subscriptions. Then on the pending one, you'll have your pending requests or subscriptions. And on the completed tab, you'll have all of the subscriptions that you've already completed or the auto pay has stopped. Now from here, you just basically click on your live subscription that's active. And once you tap on it, you can see here the autopay limit, its frequency, start and end date, and it will be debited on the date shown below. All you have to do now is just tap on cancel autopay at the bottom, and it's going to ask you if you really want to cancel it. So just tap in cancel autopay, and once it says it's canceling, you're good to go. So as you can see here, the autopay has been canceled. That's pretty much it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, consider liking the video down below and hit the subscribe